cream udon is a totally new trend in Korea right now. Underneath, spicy curry udon and covered with delicious sweet pumpkin mousse. Let's get started. Alright, so you will need this mixing bowl, and I'm going to add about a cup of heavy cream. And when your heavy cream is cold, it's actually a lot easier to whip. Just a little tip. You see, right, that's what we want. What are we gonna do is add this kabocha or danhobak in Korean. It's a sweet pumpkin. It's super easy to cook. You just pop it in the microwave, cover with the plastic wrap, and run it for 4 to 5 minutes. And just smash down with your smasher. What I'm gonna do is let's fold this smashed kabocha into whipped cream. Ah, look at that! Ah, so pretty! All right, pumpkin mousse is ready. I'm going to place on a piping bag right here. Into the piping bag. Don't open the tip yet. Let's set this side. Right here. For the curry udon, I'm going to add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter into a skillet. Then turn on the heat. Okay, that's good. About medium heat. Chop up some garlic. And then some ginger. So chopping ginger is really easy. You just have to slice it really thinly and then cut into strips. Really thin strips like that. I think my butter is melting. You know, this moment about the garlic and ginger hit the butter, just heavenly. The smell, so good. Let's cut the vegetables, which is some onion and slice. And some carrots. Cut into strips. I'm gonna use buttonbell mushrooms because they look so good today. They look fresh and nice. Alright, good. Now I'm going to add some chicken thigh that I cut into chunks, about 1 bite size. Little pinch of salt. And some black pepper. Okay, now increase the heat to medium-high to high heat so we can kind of sear the chicken and release their flavor to the butter as well. Alright, this is time to add the onion, carrot, and the mushrooms. I'm adding curry powder right now so we can actually kind of toast this curry powder with the vegetable in the butter. The color is beautiful, smell is fantastic. Now let's add 3 of whole tomatoes. It's from the can, so this way we don't have to worry about peeling the tomato skins and all that stuff. And then the chicken stock. Because it's more like Asian style curry, we are going to season with some soy sauce. Oh, I forgot sugar. Add some sugar. Alright, now we are going to bring this curry to a boil and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Alright, my curry has been simmered for 5 minutes and the vegetables are cooked and soft and chicken is fully cooked. Now I'm going to add the cornstarch water that we made earlier while you're stirring the curry. Now let's add the cooked udon noodles into the curry. Like that. And just stir in. They're done, my curry udon. Right now this is time to cut this tip off. And we are going to cover this completely. Yes. Cool. Not bad, huh? Oh yeah. Are you ready? Are you ready? Cause I'm ready. Are you ready? Cause I'm ready. Just dig in like this. And then, 왜냐면 너무 맛있으니까. 맛있어. Means delicious in Korean.